This 2024 Keystone Arcadia Super Lite 253 SLRD is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Turlock, California, 95382 and is offered for sale by Best RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Keystone is 29 feet 0 inches in length and features a Bailey interior, sleeps 4, Slideout, and 54 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, U-shaped dinette. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.